Hello, I would like to show you how to create your very first stream on your SDRNode server. So to do this, you can use a web browser. In this case, I'm using Firefox, but any will be okay. So I'm opening the web browser from the server itself, so I can browse locally. So I just need to do localhost 8080. Okay, I'm reaching the front page. I will go full scale like this. That's it. So from the front page, you just have a review of your server name, license activation key, the license type you have, your remote certificate in case, we'll see this later, and so on and so on. And if you go down to this page, you will see different links. So briefly, this one shows you some other information on your server, but we don't care so far. Sources lists the different hardwares you have on your machine. Streams lists the currently shared sources, currently shared streams. There's no stream at the moment. And files, in case you have the recording the option, you can see the different files that you have recorded with your system. So let's go to create a new stream. So to do this, you first need to select from which source you want to create the stream. So let's say, for example, that we will create the stream from the RTL dongle, this one. Okay. At the moment, the sampling rate is set by default at 1 megasamples per second. It means that the widest you can do, like this, is 1 megasample per second. 1 megahertz, sorry, bandwidth. Okay, and you just have a reminder here of the frequency tuning range. So let's add a new stream. That's quite easy. Click on the Add Stream button, like that. You just have a reminder of where it comes from, the currently sample rate. So you need to give a name. So let's say that we will call this stream demo RTL. Okay, we keep it like this. Then we need to select the bandwidth. So by default, the first displayed bandwidth is a fourth of the available bandwidth. Okay, so it's 1 megahertz. So roughly you can, the first the first bandwidth you can set is 256 kilohertz. But if you have a drop down box and you can select any value. Okay, we'll, for example, pick this one. You see that depending on the value you take, the requirements in terms of bandwidth is displayed here. You see that it's quite important. Remember that this is in kilobytes, not bits, per second per user. Okay, so for example, 128 kilohertz gives this value. But we are not using any compression scheme. So let's say that we use the max compression scheme. You see that we divide by 4 the bandwidth requirement. We don't care about this at the moment. That's it. We just click on add this new stream and it's done. Now we have a new stream, demo RTL. So just to show you that it's available, we start our Cloud SDR client, for example. Of course, we need to tell it where the server is, local, 8080. We need to enter the certificate. So the certificate is on our home page. Here it is. We copy. We paste. Okay. My call sign. Yes. And here it is. We have the demo available. So use it. And there we are. That's done. So we start at 25 megs, okay, which is the starting frequency. So just to show you, if we increase the frequency, let's say, for example, 95 megs, and if we go back to the sources, we will see here that the frequency is now 95 megs, of course. Okay? And of course,
stéréotype de sexe, c'est quelque chose qui suscite beaucoup de résistance. Parce